Ajmer shorthand passage number 1 ready start. The subject of posting and transfers is an important personal function full stop. It is complementary to officers career planning management full stop. It is only through a balanced current adjustment of officers comma according to experienced and qualifications that a corps of competent and qualified civil servants is provided to the society full stop. The achievement of this laudable objective is ensured mainly through postings based on experience comma qualifications comma and merit full stop. Proper career management envisages that an officer should be provided equal opportunities of holding secretariat staff and field appointments so that he may acquire right type of experience at various stages of his career full stop. Rotation between field and secretariat staff appointment comma therefore comma need hardly be emphasized. New paragraph. The policy of postings should be designed so as to ensure stability in the appointments, to encourage professionalism by recognizing and promoting merit comma while providing an all-round experience to the individual officers full stop. In order to avoid stagnation in performance and ideas and to provide dynamic administration, repeated appointments to the same type of job need to be avoided unless in some special cases comma specialization is desired full stop. The transfer policy is to be guided foremost by the service of public interest, and the individual's interest is to be integrated therewith as far as possible for ensuring greater harmony and efficiency full stop. Important assignments may develop their talent and may make maximum contribution to the public welfare full stop. In case comma where officer show certain weakness in professional and character traits comma that may be so poisoned as to be amendable to direction, advice and guidance. New paragraph. As a rule, every civil servant shall be liable to serve anywhere within or outside the province in any post under the government of Punjab or the federal government or any other provincial government or a local authority or a corporation or a body set up or established by any such government full stop. Where a civil servant is required to serve in a post outside this service or cadre comma his terms and conditions of service as to his pay shall not be less favorable than those to which he would have been entitled comma if he had not been so required to serve full stop. This condition is not applicable to the transfer of an officer on account of inefficiency or misbehavior, or when he is transferred on his written request, full stop. Transfers of officers and staff shall be made by the authorities specified in Schedule 5 to the Punjab Government Rules of Business, 190/74, and the delegation of powers, full stop.